Guys, what's up? We're at the hotel. My card just got declined. Oh my gosh.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the first video part of the vlog. Coming to our destination pretty quick here. Got here sooner than I thought. We're here in Daytona Beach, Florida. Beautiful skyline there. Oh God, we're getting pretty close.
In 3/4 of the mile, we will be there.
Yeah, and Daytona. Headed into the great giant city of Louisville here. We're avoiding the toll because we're rebels, so we're getting off at some sketch exit, going over some sketch bridge. Louisville's a great city. Been here before. All right, be back later with more updates. We got the Jewel factory right here. They're making their jewels in there. There's the skyline, so beautiful. Avoiding the toll here, going over some sketch bridge instead of the actual bridge over there. There's the actual bridge over there. All the lights on it. We're gonna come up on the KFC Yum Center here really quick. Right there, I see it. Wow, look at that skyline. Here it is, here we go, big view right here. Oh, look at that. We're in Daytona. Wow, all right.
What's up, guys? It's 9:28. We're still on the road. We're about to be in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. There's a lot to do there, a lot of sightseeing.
4 miles
today.
till the Tennessee border.
All right, guys, we're about to cross the Tennessee border.
Oh yeah, Tennessee.
Oh, yeah. First one to Tennessee.
Oh, what is this sign?
Hey guys, we're just passing the Nissan Stadium, home of the Tennessee Titans.
What is going on, Z Food Review Nation? We are in
Moto, Tennessee.
Moto, Tennessee, and we are at our resort currently.
Luxurious.
Yeah, we'll get back to you when we get to the room.
Oh my gosh, first time in a hotel alone.
Guys, what's up? We're at the hotel. My card just got declined. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're waiting. Hopefully I use another card and I think we'll get in now.
We're in room 420.
Room 420.
Hot, get it.
Wait, no way.
Oh, it smells like weed. There's someone in here. There's someone in here.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
So much.
Oh, Chris is like the floor.
Floor space.
Wow, this is an amazing room. Oh, we did. Wave check.
Oh, I brought my bandana.
Wave check. Wave check. Oh! Oh! Bust down, Christiana.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on in here? What's going on in here? I don't know. They'll let me in. I don't think there's any. I think it's just you in there. What? What's going on in there? What's up, guys? Just coming to my room here. My room 420. Here we are. Oh, welcome. Oh, hey. What's going on in here?
This is our room.
Room 420 here. Smells a little funky in here. What's in here? Nice iron and iron board. So this is our one night stay, and then we're gonna go to Florida. We're staying here in Moto, Arkansas. Look at this view we have. It's a nice view. Got a dumpster and a U-Haul out there. Let's check out this bathroom area. The bathroom is pretty spacious, I think. You got a toilet right there. Got a mirror right here. The tub and shower. All right. Hey guys, there's some kid in the